I'm back with another cooking vlog. I had so much fun doing the last one, so I thought, why not do another one? And maybe we can make this like a normal thing. So I just got off work. If you watched my last vlog that I just posted, you'd know what we're having already. But we are having just broccoli and fish today, keeping it simple, keeping it healthy. And let's see what we got going on. I think I'm first gonna start with the broccoli, just because the fish is going to be very quick to make. So let's start with this. So I'm just gonna chop this up, I'm gonna steam it, and then we'll get started on the fish. So I just started by chopping off the stems. I keep the stems. I just like chop off the like rough bits on the outside. And then I slice them and add the florets to the pan with the broccoli, and I eat them because I think they're delicious. Plus, people just like, you chop this up and then you waste all of this. So good for you, I think. I could be lying, don't listen to me. All right. I add the little florets first. Not that I don't think it matters. Like I said in my other video, I'm not a chef. You're just coming along with me while I do this. And I'll add a half cup of water, maybe a little more. I'll put it on high and I'll cover it for about like 3 minutes, and then I'll reduce the heat for like another 3-ish minutes. Let's get started on the fish. Another thing about my cooking is I never measure anything, which is why I would be a horrible baker. So bear with me. I mean, we can pretend to measure. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to be making kind of like the crust of the fish. Look at me measuring. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of flour. That seems like a lot. Maybe I'll take a little out. I'm not measuring. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little onion, a little garlic, paprika, thyme, pepper, and salt. Actually, I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper too. Just a little tiny little bit. See, it feels good in my heart, and I feel like that's all that matters. So that's kind of like what the crust is looking like. I actually decided that I'm adding oregano as well. Just in case you're wondering. Okay, yeah. Okay, I reduced the heat on the broccoli. I'm just gonna kind of cut this up into like little fillets because I want them to be a little smaller. And then these ones I'll leave whole, I guess. I'm making a lot of fish. It's okay, it'll be my lunch for tomorrow as well. I'm gonna pat them dry, and I'm gonna add a generous amount of the seasonings to both sides of all the little fillets. I might have added too much flour because I tried measuring it. Last time I'm ever gonna do that. But I think we'll be fine. So okay, to get started on the fish, I'm gonna put a little butter and olive oil in the pan and then add my fillets. Then in another little, I'm actually gonna do it in a small pot. I'm going to put garlic and olive oil. Let that start melting for the broccoli. Alright, so is that like medium high heat? I'm going to just add the fillets to the butter. I'm gonna do like 3 minutes each side. Alright, so I added some butter to the broccoli, And now the other little pot that I've been having the garlic simmering in, I'm just going to add to the broccoli. A little garlic powder to just like the teeniest little bit of garlic powder in the broccoli. I think I want it more buttery, so I might add a little more butter. Hi, Vic. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon to the broccoli and a little lemon on top of the fish as well. Alright. All finished. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'm hungry, so I'm not gonna talk much more. See you later.